Attraction isn't just about looks or charm. It's a complex interplay of behaviors, psychology, and perception that goes far deeper than most people realize. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 secrets about attraction that even so-called experts often miss. These aren't the tired cliches you've heard before. These are truths rooted in how human nature really works. Truths that might make you rethink everything you know about what makes people drawn to each other. Let's look at each secret separately. 1. Familiarity creates magnetic pull. You've probably heard that distance makes the heart grow fonder, but science suggests the opposite. Familiarity breeds attraction. The more often someone is exposed to your presence, even subtly, the more likely they are to feel drawn to you. This is called the mere exposure effect, and it's one of the most underrated forces behind attraction. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how coworkers or classmates often end up dating? It's not just convenience, it's repeated exposure. Your brain starts associating familiarity with comfort and trust, key ingredients for attraction. So how can you use this? Make yourself subtly present in their life. This doesn't mean stalking. It means finding natural ways to be around them. Whether it's frequenting the same coffee shop or engaging in shared activities, proximity can work wonders. 2. Imperfections are more attractive than perfection. Here's a secret. Perfection repels more than it attracts. When someone seems too flawless, it creates a psychological gap, a sense that they're untouchable or not relatable. On the flip side, showing small imperfections makes you appear more human and approachable. This ties into the pratfall effect, a phenomenon where people who display minor flaws are seen as more likable. Why? Because it signals authenticity. Think about your favorite celebrities or influencers. Chances are, the ones you connect with most are those who aren't afraid to show their goofy side or admit their mistakes. If you want to deepen someone's attraction to you, don't be afraid to let them see your imperfections. A missed step, a self-deprecating joke, or an honest confession about a past failure can make you far more magnetic than trying to maintain an image of perfection. 3. People are drawn to confidence that leads, not controls. Confidence is attractive, but not when it's used to dominate or manipulate. True confidence is about leading through example, inspiring others, and showing that you're secure in who you are without needing to prove it. There's a fine line between confidence and arrogance, and stepping over it can repel rather than attract. This type of confidence signals emotional maturity. People naturally gravitate toward someone who can handle challenges with grace and composure, rather than reacting with insecurity or aggression. It's not about being the loudest in the room. It's about having presence and poise. To cultivate this kind of confidence, focus on self-improvement and self-awareness. Confidence that leads is rooted in authenticity, not bravado. It's the quiet assurance that you're valuable, and you don't need anyone else to validate that. 4. Attraction thrives on mystery and depth. While transparency is crucial for trust, too much predictability can stifle attraction. People are naturally drawn to mystery and depth because it keeps their curiosity alive. This isn't about playing games, it's about showing that you have layers that take time to uncover. Mystery isn't about withholding information, but about having passions, interests, and dimensions that surprise people. When you're fully engaged in your own growth and pursuits, it creates an aura of intrigue. It's not about being secretive, it's about being multidimensional. To cultivate this, focus on building a rich inner world. Whether it's developing a skill, exploring a hobby, or pursuing meaningful goals, these elements add depth to your personality. Attraction isn't just about the surface, it's about the story beneath it. 5. Shared vulnerability builds unbreakable bonds. Many people think vulnerability is a weakness, but when it comes to attraction, it's one of your greatest strengths. Sharing personal stories, fears, or dreams fosters intimacy and trust, creating a bond that's hard to break. This works because of reciprocal disclosure, the idea that when one person opens up, the other feels compelled to do the same. Vulnerability isn't about oversharing, it's about being real. It shows courage and emotional depth, qualities that are universally appealing. To deepen attraction, look for opportunities to share meaningful parts of yourself. Encourage open dialogue that goes beyond surface-level topics. True connection comes from being willing to let someone see you for who you really are. 6. Physical attraction isn't static. Most people think physical attraction is either there or it isn't, but the truth is that it's highly dynamic. Physical appearance is just the tip of the iceberg. The way someone carries themselves, their energy, and even their scent can significantly impact how attractive they appear. For example, posture and body language can either enhance or diminish physical appeal. Someone who stands tall and moves with purpose exudes an aura of confidence and vitality. Similarly, maintaining eye contact and using open gestures can make you appear far more engaging and magnetic. If you want to enhance your physical appeal, focus on cultivating presence. It's not just about grooming or style, it's about the way you inhabit your space and interact with the world around you. 7. Humor is the ultimate shortcut. If there's one universal truth about attraction, it's this: people are drawn to those who make them laugh. Humor isn't just about entertainment, it's a signal of intelligence, creativity, and social ease. It also releases endorphins, making interactions feel more enjoyable. But here's the catch: forced humor can backfire. Authenticity is key. Whether it's a witty observation or a self-aware joke, the best humor comes from being present and attuned to the moment. To harness the power of humor, don't overthink it. Let it flow naturally from your personality. A shared laugh creates an instant connection, one that's often stronger than any scripted compliment or rehearsed line. 8. Timing can make or break attraction. Timing plays a far bigger role in attraction than most people realize. Meeting someone when they're emotionally unavailable, distracted, or overwhelmed can diminish your chances, even if the chemistry is there. Attraction isn't just about who you are, it's about when you show up in someone's life. This isn't something you can control, but understanding its role can help you navigate relationships with more patience and awareness. For example, someone who isn't ready for a relationship may appear indifferent, even if they're genuinely attracted to you. Recognizing this allows you to avoid taking rejection personally. Sometimes it's not about you, it's about the circumstances. By focusing on timing and being attuned to someone's emotional state, you can approach attraction with more clarity and resilience. 9. Taking small risks draws people closer. Have you ever wondered why thrill seekers and adventurous people often seem more magnetic? It's because taking small risks triggers an emotional response in both yourself and those around you, creating a bond. When you show courage in controlled everyday scenarios, it subconsciously signals that you're exciting, confident, and worth paying attention to. Think about something as simple as initiating a bold conversation or suggesting an unconventional idea. These small actions might feel risky in the moment, but they stand out because they show you're not afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Even something as mundane as trying a new activity together can generate a sense of shared adventure that strengthens attraction. To put this into action, push yourself to embrace opportunities that challenge the norm. Whether it's suggesting an impromptu road trip or volunteering to perform in front of others, these little moments of daring set you apart and ignite intrigue in those around you. 10. Curiosity is the most underrated form of flattery. When someone shows genuine curiosity about you, it's deeply flattering. Asking thoughtful questions, remembering details, and showing interest in their passions signals that you value them as a person. This kind of attention fosters a sense of importance and connection. Curiosity is so powerful because it shifts the focus from impressing someone to truly understanding them. It's not about interrogation, it's about making them feel seen and appreciated. To apply this, focus on active listening. Be present in your conversations and engage with their world. Genuine curiosity isn't just attractive, it's transformative. It turns fleeting encounters into meaningful connections. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.